Hey everyone, my name is Philip, and in this video, we're going to create a custom object inside of Salesforce. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Setup, and then go to Object Manager. And once you're in Object Manager, you're going to go to the right-hand side of the screen and click Create, and you're going to click Custom Object. So when you click Custom Object, you will be presented with this screen, and you can create a label. So we're going to do test, and then for plural we're going to put tests. And then if you scroll down, we can select these different checkboxes. We're going to allow this to be searchable, and then you just click save. And there we have it. We have a new custom object. As you can see, it is denoted by this _C. So that is how you know if an object is a custom object or a standard object.